Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review of Beyblade Burst Evolution Starter Pack DR29 TS11 ROKTAVOR R3 Stamina Type from Hasbro. This is from their SWiTCH. So this is kind of like the American version of the awesome God Base. As we know, Hasbro American, not that awesome. Takara Tomy, they're awesome. So yeah. So in the SWiTCH, you do get a new launcher, a left-right launcher, which we'll see a little bit later on. I love how now they're telling you what all the little gimmicks are in, the SWiTCH God Bays, aka God Bays, or downgraded God Bays, as we should say. What it does, so it has, propeller, shaped blades, spin area wings. So, and I love how here it tells you not only the little stats, like, let me see if I can get this to focus. Now, not only does it tell you, like the 10 stuff, but now it also tells you 2, 5, and all that stuff, which is great. Before you had to go and count how many bars have colored in to know how strong or how weak it is. So attack is 2, burst is 2, defense is 2, weight 5, agility 5, stamina 9. So this one has pretty awesome stamina. And BerryBurst.com, D-Lights, Sunlights, WBBA, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. So let me just step out some of these pieces right here. Okay, this one's a little odd. So here we get the instruction manual, although this time it's better than the original ones, and it now tells you how to remove the frame from the forge disc. So with the SWiTCH, you can remove the frame from the forge disc, and it's telling you that with the new launcher, you can put it in for left spin and right spin bays and all that stuff. So something that's a little different there. We do get also a new whipcord. It's a little bit longer than the original T-shaped one. It's got a nice wing for your finger to sit in there and pull it. This one feels really nice. We got right, left, launcher. And these ones I love. They're thicker, they're bigger, they're meatier. They're just what we really needed. I mean, with these little thin little guys that we were getting, I mean, these ones were too thin. Like, you have pinch your fingers slightly, and don't forget, pinky out. It's like, come on, we're not fancy. We're not trying to drink a little cup of tea and sip, a cup of tea with pinky finger up and out. That's like how you had hold us, like real guardy, carefree. Like, even it wouldn't be the size for a kid's hand, really. With this, yeah, a kid could definitely get their hand on there. An adult obviously could get their hand on there. I mean, this is what they should have gave you. These should have been the launchers. These should have never came out. These should have never been an actual launcher. This is what they should have went for. But, yeah, definitely the new launcher. Bigger, better. I love it. So here is Rangadot R34 Cross Frugal. So yeah. Now, does the God chips come out of these Hasbro ones? No. The God chip stays in. The God chip cannot come out. Like I was saying, if you want to remove God chips, you gotta get Takari Tomy one. And the gimmick on this one is these little wings here are supposed to come out, which, yeah, they don't really come out that much. And actually, this one seems to be kind of stiff on this side. But yeah. Here's the QR code. And here's our forged disc, which is 4 something and something. Let me look that up. So the energy layer is SWiTCH R3. The metal of the forged disc is 4. So forged disc is 4. This blue flame is cross, like cross, or like oh cross, cross, and the driver is Frugal. Odd name for a driver. I would just name it Blades or Fan or Tornado, cause yeah, or Star or something, you know, cause it actually kind of looks like a shuriken. That's what the little thing looks like. And the design there kind of looks like it has a wing on there. Kind of like a Greek mythological, I think his name was Hermes, who had the wing. Or, what else? Okay.